Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. No.
No?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
You're like echo.
Okay.
Oh, it's because I can't hear you.
Ramsia. Hi, Ramsia.
Good morning, friends. Hi.
Okay. Whose one is it?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, everyone turn on your camera. Hurry up. Ihan,
Ma'am,
Aishin.
this plus 7.
Why there are two bariras? I can see two barira.
Ma'am, what is this plus 7?
What is?
What is this plus 7? What is this plus 7? Delete
Plus
like,
7.
wait, let me show. Do you know the answer of what is this plus 7?
I have no idea. What is it, Blazer?
It's this 7. That's the answer.
Okay. Barira, you can start sharing. Ihan, Aishin, Ishan, I will not give attendance if you are not turning on the camera. Please don't make me repeat again. Once you are inside the class, you are supposed to turn on your camera.
I am to turn on my camera.
Share your screen, Ihan.
Ma'am.
Ishan, turn on your camera. Just a second, Alpha. Give me 1 minute.
The
Yes,
mute
Ihan,
one.
I can see you now. Ishan,
I had to turn on my camera.
share your screen. Ihan, we are able to see you. Now, Ishan, turn on your camera. Yes, Alpha.
I did.
Share your screen, Ishan. Jawan is sleepy in the morning. Jawan, what happened? Ishan, please share your screen.
I am.
Al-Fatih, what happened, my dear?
I'm going to go to India on Friday. So I will be absent for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all 3 days you are absent.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one thing. Can you just drop a message in the admin? WhatsApp? Just ask Mama to drop a message. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, dear. Again, Barira is missing. Who has prepared the presentation today? Okay, this is not working out for us.
I am back to the order.
Who has prepared the presentation?
It was Amila.
Amila.
Or Haya.
Haya is
I did. Haya, where's Haya?
Haya is not here. Ishan is not here. Amila, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, how did? What is her name?
What happened
Yeah, I
to the
didn't.
laptop?
Yeah.
What happened to the laptop?
I don't know. I typed it the password. It is not correct.
Okay, you can try now.
Ma'am.
It's working now actually.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Amila's like name different. They used to be like Ali. I can't remember.
Okay.
Camila.
Everyone unmute. I would like everyone to unmute.
Someone please unmute for me.
And everyone stand up. Unmute and everyone stand up. There's your unmuting. Okay, Ihan has unmuted. Good. Barira has unmuted. Very nice. Amila has unmuted. What about the others? Joanne, Aishin, Laser, Al-Fatih, unmute. Milan, turn on your camera and unmute. Okay, so what we are going to do, Laser, unmute. Joanne, are you able to hear me?
I did unmute.
Then you cannot mute. You have to keep it unmuted. Milan, unmute please. Okay. Milan,
Morning, ma'am.
you have to do exact opposite what I say. Okay? Can you do that?
Yeah.
I'm going to be silent for a while. I'm going to be silent.
Opposite to do that.
Simon says, Maria, hurry up, come back. Simon says,
Maria, come on. We're playing Simon Says.
but you have to do
Opposite.
You have to do exact opposite. Jump
Yeah.
to your right. And do within 3 seconds.
Ma'am,
Later, you lost.
I have headphones. I can't move.
You don't have to mute.
Me too. If I move, my headphones would bend and break.
Take off the headphones.
Yeah, I have a wire. Hello, also it's connected without removing section.
Ready? You have to do
Yeah.
Yes, Barira.
So now, can you delete the one of doing me?
Ready, Barira?
Oh, now my phone.
You have to do within 3 seconds, okay? Simon says, raise your right hand. 1, 2. Barira, you're out. Joan, out. You have to raise your left hand. You have to do exact opposite. Okay.
My hand is.
You lost 1 point, okay? We have 5 points. Barira, you have to do exact opposite. Can you see the others? They are raising their left hand. Ready? Simon says, bend to your back.
What? What did you say?
Bend to your back. 1.
Ma'am, do something.
What do you do?
Can I say something? Ma'am, what is that thing?
Yes. Okay, next
What should we do?
Simon will be Al-Fatih.
Are you?
Al-Fatih, you are the next Simon.
Okay. Can someone have a chat? Please. Simon says, don't clap.
Simon says,
Don't clap.
That do.
Come on, Joanne.
Ma'am, can I have a turn next, please?
Yes, we have. Minutes then.
Simon says, turn to your left.
Good job, we have Milan.
Why don't we
Nice
do
shake, Lyson. Good job. Amila, good job. Others?
I cannot hear you.
Okay, next Milan. Milan, go. Milan is the Simon.
Simon says,
Hurry up.
wait. Simon says, don't. Simon says, don't keep your hands up. Simon says, don't keep your hands up. Both hands.
You have to mention
Simon
both
says,
hands.
Mati,
Yes.
both hands.
Okay.
Ihan, you're not doing. Ihan is out.
You are not doing laser. Okay, everyone put your hand down. Yes, Farida.
Put the hand out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Up.
Good
So I
job.
put it down.
Good job. You guys have an exercise, right?
Hiya.
Others unmute. I just want to talk to Haya. Haya, why are you not there for assembly? Haya?
Yes, ma'am. I had a problem when I clicked the join button for the meeting. It said I should type my password and I tried a lot.
Yeah, I fixed my own network problem.
Tomorrow I
What
want to see you on
happened is
assembly,
that-
okay? I want to see you in assembly.
Okay.
Everyone, can you mute Amina ma'am? If Ishan joins, could you just convey a message that I want to see him for assembly tomorrow? He's not joining
All
us.
right, all right.
Thank
Yes,
you so much.
okay.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Ma'am.